Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar. My goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, we got a pretty cool cocktail we're working on here. Little winter riff on the White Russian. This cocktail, though, is going to be made with a charred pineapple juice, Borghetti Espresso Liqueur, heavy cream, and in place of that vodka, we're going to use a Blanco Tequila. So it's really more of a white Mexican, if you will. We're going to call this cocktail the Louis C.K. All right, first thing we got to do is break down our pineapple. All right, let's slap these on a sheet tray and we're gonna get them charred up under the broiler. All right, we got our pineapple all charred up. I got it charred up just on one side because I didn't want to dehydrate it too much since we will be juicing it. But what that's gonna do is caramelize those sugars in there and just kind of add that extra level of flavor into the cocktail that we're looking for. All right, so let's go ahead and cut them up and juice them up. It's hot. Careful if you don't wait for them to cool, as I'm doing. But you know, ideally wait for them to cool so you don't burn yourself. Let's juice them up. And there we have it, guys, our charred pineapple juice. All right, so that is it for the prep work in this cocktail today. We got our charred pineapple juice here in this cheater bottle. We got our heavy cream in this cheater bottle. We got our tequila and our espresso liqueur. We are ready to roll. This is a shaken cocktail. So first thing we're gonna need is our shaker tin. And we're gonna need our jigger. We're also gonna need our glassware. All right, so we're gonna start with our 1 ounce of charred pineapple juice. And 3/4 ounce of our heavy cream. 3/4 ounce of our espresso liqueur. 2 ounces of our Blanco Tequila. Let's go ahead and ice our glassware. We're gonna ice our shaker tin. Seal up that shaker tin. Shake it for 12 seconds as always. Both your Hawthorne and your basket strainer. Let's double strain. Grab a little skewer. Pop that piece of pineapple in there. I went ahead and save one of the pineapple leaves as well. We'll drop that down in the cocktail with it. And there it is, guys, the Louis C.K. All right, let's taste. Drop that pineapple down in there. That coffee on the nose, a little bit of that pineapple. All right, so it's rich and creamy, guys, but you get that bitterness from the espresso, a little bit of sweetness. That pineapple comes through with a little bit of acid and that fruitiness, which kind of pairs nicely with the espresso. I think pineapple and espresso really is a nice little combination. The tequila holds up well in this cocktail. Yeah, that pineapple comes through beautifully. Perfect level of coffee, I think, on this cocktail. Just really sits really nicely on the palate. Yeah. Nice little riff on the White Russian there. Adds a little tropical note to it. Something you might not expect, but definitely something worth trying, guys. A little tequila charred pineapple White Russian riff. There it is, guys, the Louis C.K. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me. Maybe you wrote down save for a later date. But either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. Become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.